Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bank of America text banking for card status updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Bank of America text banking, start by open your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Bank of America. Press the search icon or hit enter. Locate the Bank of America app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's ratings and reviews for assurance. When you're ready, find the download button. For iPhone users, it will display as Get. Android users will see Install. Tap the appropriate button to begin the download. Wait for the app to install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap to open the Bank of America app. You may need to log in with your online banking credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Options menu. Look for the Text Banking feature. Enroll in text banking if prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferences. Choose the account for which you want status updates. Select how often you'd like to receive texts. Save your settings when prompted. You're now ready to receive card status updates via text. Keep your notifications turned on for real-time updates. Enjoy easy access to your banking information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.